Today in the class, we are discuss about the yeah. Today in the class, we discuss about the disaster management. Disaster management is the process of organizing resources and responsibility to reduce the impact of disasters on the people, to reduce the impact of the disaster on the property and the infrastructure. It involves planning for reducing the impact of the disaster, responding during and after disaster, and recovering from them. This is the disaster management. And the Disaster Management Act 2005 defines the disaster management as an integrated process of planning, organizing, coordinating, and implementing measures which are necessary for prevention of threat of any disaster, reduction of risk of any disaster, and readiness to deal with any disaster, and preparedness in the dealing with a disaster, and assessing the severity of the effects of any disaster, and rescue and relief, rehabilitation, and the reconstruction. This is the disaster management which have been defined here for implementing the measures for the prevention of threat of the any disaster, reduction of risk of the any disaster, readiness to deal with the any disaster, and promptness in dealing with the disaster. Assessing the severity of the effects of any disaster, and rescue and relief. These are the definition of the disaster management. Disaster management is defined here as follows. A disaster can be defined any occurrence that causes damage, ecological disruption, loss of the human life, deterioration of the health and the health services on a scale sufficient to warrant the extraordinary response from the outside the affected community of the area. Hence, the disaster management can be defined as occurrence either nature or the mandate to cause the human suffering and the creatures human needs that victim can be alleviated without any assistance. This is the disaster management. We are dealing with the most important topic of the environmental studies, that is the disaster management. Disaster management is showing here, that is the preparedness, that is the response, that is the recovery, and that is mitigation of the disaster. Clearly defined here in the picture. Preparedness of the disaster, responses of the disaster, recovery of the disaster, and mitigation of the disaster. Preparedness of the disaster is defined here. Preparedness means activities prior to the disaster. Activity prior to the disaster is defined as the preparedness of the disaster. Responses, activity during a disaster is defined as a response to the disaster, and the recovery activity following a disaster is defined as the recovery. The examples are given here: temporary housing, claims, process and grants, long-term medical care, and the counseling. Similarly, examples of all the four operations of the have been defined here. Mitigation is defined as the activity that reduces the effect of the disaster. Examples are building codes and zoning, vulnerability analysis, public education. These are the examples. Hence, we are defined here the disaster management. The four activities of the disaster management have been discussed here, and the examples of the disaster management of the four activity have been defined here. The four activity of the disaster management have been defined here. For preparedness, preparedness plans, emergency exercises, warning system. For response, public warning system, emergency operation, search and rescue. For recovery, temporary housing, claims, processing and grants, long-term medical care. And for mitigation, building codes, zoning, vulnerability, public education. This is the disaster management which have been shown here in the figure. Preparedness for the disaster, responses for the disaster, recovery for the disaster, and mitigation for the disaster. This is the disaster management. What does the disaster management involve? Here it is shown here, dealing and avoiding both natural and man-made disaster. Natural and man-made disasters are that the disaster management involve. Preparedness before the disaster. What type of the preparedness should be done before the disaster? That is included here. Rebuilding and the supporting society after natural disaster. Rebuilding and the supporting society after the natural disaster. These activity involved in the इसको डिस्टर्ब मत करो, स्क्रीन को डिस्टर्ब मत करो, स्क्रीन को डिस्टर्ब मत करो, ये स्क्रीन को डिस्टर्ब मत करो. These involves the disaster management. Disaster management cycle is shown here. Preparedness, responses, recovery, and mitigation. This cycle is shown here. After preparation means the measures taken before a crisis to accelerate response to promote the readiness. This is the preparedness. Emergency measures implemented to safeguard people, property, and the environment. This is the response. Action happen after action, measures done to restore and resume regular operation. ये आपको रिकवरी है. A mitigation, efforts to decrease the negative effects or risk associated with the hazard. This is known as the mitigation. Hence, the disaster management cycle. Disaster management cycle is shown here. Disaster management cycle is shown here in the figure. What is the background? Enormous population pressure and the urbanization is there. A flood, drought, or earthquake. Millions of the people are affected each time a disaster that will occur. That will occur. Large scale displacement and the loss of the life, loss of the property and agriculture crops. These are known as the background of the disaster management. These are the background of the disaster management. These are the background of the disaster management. Why the disaster management are necessary? The reason for these are varied, including an increasing population pressure in the urban area, an increase in the extent of the enforcement into the lands, river beds or drainage courses, low-lying areas, etc. Poor or ignored zoning laws and the policy, lack of the proper risk management insurance. These are the reasons for the involvement of the disaster management. These are the involvement for the reasons for the involvement of the disaster management. The types of the disaster have been shown here. At first, I will make the attendance of all the students that have Deepak MD is present. Kush is present. Lakshya Jha is present.
सर कुछ प्रेजेंट।
हाँ, कुछ प्रेजेंट है। ये इल्लिन दिखा रहा है, ये कौन है? ये प्रियंका जैन, पूर्णिमा
Present,
बगला is
sir.
present.
Priyanka Jain, sir, present.
Rati Kapoor is present. Sonakshi is present. Vikram Sharma is present. These are present. मैं आपको बता देता हूं. दीपक MD is present. Kush is present. Lakshya Jha is present. Madhav is present. Priyanka Jain is present. Purnima Bagla is present. Rati Kapoor is present. Sonakshi is present. Vikram Sharma is present. We are talking about the disaster management. Then the type of the disasters that happen have been shown here. What are the types of the disasters are there? Natural disasters are there. That is the meteorological, topological, and the environmental. And man-made disasters are the technological, industrial accident, and the security related. These are the types of the natural disaster, and the man-made disaster are the type of the disaster. There, the disasters can be classified into the following category: water and climate disaster. Water and climate disaster. Floods are the disaster. Hailstorm are disaster. Cloud burst are disaster. Cyclones are disaster. ये स्क्रीन को गंदा मत करो. Heat waves are disaster. Cold waves are disaster. Droughts are the disaster. Hurricanes are the disaster. So water and climate disasters are given here in the name. Geological disasters are given here. These are the geological disasters. Landslides, earthquakes, volcanic eruption, tornadoes, These are the geological disaster, and the biological disasters are given here. Biological disasters are the viral epidemics, pest attacks, cattle epidemics, and the locust plagues. Industrial disasters are the chemical disasters, industrial accident, mine shaft fires, oil spills, etc. Nuclear disasters are nuclear core meltdowns, radiation poisoning. These are the nuclear disaster. And the man-made disasters are urban and forest fire, oil spills, the collapse of the huge building structure are the man-made disaster. These are the types of the disaster which are classified here. These are the characteristics of disaster have been shown in the figure. These are of the one type of the disaster that have been occurred in the sea, which have been shown in the figure. Can machine predict when and where it might occur? Can its impact be controlled or managed, diverted? Length of the forewarning can be done. Duration of the impact can be done. These are the characteristics of the disaster. Predictability, controllability, speed of the onset, length of the forewarning, duration of the impact, scope and intensity of the impact. These are the characteristics of the disaster. For any type of the disaster, predictability can be done. Can any machine predict when and where it might occur? Controllability, can its impact be controlled or managed or diverted? Speed, how fast or slow does it occur? Length of the forewarning, can people be prepared? Duration of the impact, how long does it last the disaster, and how much many people can affect the disaster. Intensity of the impact have been shown here. How the intensity of the impact can be shown here. These are the characteristics of the disaster. Predictability, controllability, speed, length of the forewarning, duration of the impact, scope and intensity of the impact. These are the characteristics of the These are the phases of the disaster. These are the phases of the disaster. Pre-impact phase, impact phase, and post-impact phase. Pre-impact phase, impact phase, and the post-impact phase. Pre-impact phase means before the disaster, what measures can be taken is known as the pre-impact phase. Impact phase, during the disaster, what is to be done? These are the known as the impact phase. Post-impact phase means after the disaster have been taken place, what has to be done? This is known as the post-impact phase. These are the phases of the disaster. These are the phases of the disaster. These are the principles of the disaster management. Principles of the disaster management have been shown here. Disaster management is the responsibility of all spheres of the government. Disaster management is the responsibility of all spheres of the government. Disaster management should use resources that exist for day-to-day purpose. Organizations should function as an extension of their core business. Individuals are responsible for their own safety, and disaster management planning should focus on the large-scale event. These are the principles of the disaster management. Disaster management is the responsibility of all spheres of the government. Disaster management should use resources that exist for a day-to-day purpose. Organization should function as an extension of their care business. Individuals are responsible for their own safety. Disaster management planning should focus on the large-scale events. These are the principles of the disaster management. These are the principles of the disaster management which have been shown here. These are the principles of the disaster management which have been shown here. Disaster management planning should be recognized the difference between the incident and the disaster. Disaster management planning should recognize the difference between incident. What are the incident? What are the disaster? This is to be recognized. Disaster management planning must take account the type of the physical environment and the structure of the population. Which type of the physical environment are taking place and the structure of the population taking place. Disaster management arrangement must recognize the involvement and political role of the non-government agency. Must involve the non-government agency. These are the principles of the disaster management. These are the principles of the disaster management. Phases for the disaster management. The phases for the disaster management have been shown here in the cycle of the phases of the disaster management. Preparedness phase, response phase, recovery phase, and the mitigation phase. 4 phases of the disaster management are there. Preparedness phase, national emergency, telecommunication and the response plan, training and exercises, early warning, standard operating procedure. These are the preparedness phase of the disaster management. These activities is to be taken place during the preparedness phase, national emergency, telecommunication and the response plan, training and exercises, early warning, standard operating procedure. These to be taken place during the preparedness phase. In the case of the response phase, communication and coordination is to be taken place. Saving lives is to be taken place during the response phase. These 4 phases have been shown here. Response phase have been shown here. Recovery phase have been shown here. In the case of the recovery phase, restoring is to be done. Telecommunication is to be done. Infrastructure is to be maintained. Improving lives is to be maintained. Recovery and rehabilitation of the services is to be maintained. And the last phase is the mitigation phase. In the case of the mitigation phase, public education and awareness is to be done. Hazard and vulnerability is to be done. Improved infrastructure is to be done. This shows the 4 phases of the disaster management. Every student has to be clear about these 4 phases of the disaster management. These are the 4 phases of the disaster management. These are the phases of the disaster management. Disaster preparedness, disaster impact, disaster response, rehabilitation, and disaster mitigation. These are the phases of the disaster management. ये आपको phases हैं for the disaster management. For the disaster management, these are the phases. Disaster preparedness, disaster impact, disaster response, rehabilitation, and disaster mitigation. These are the phases of the disaster management. Disaster preparedness. How the disaster preparedness can be done? Preparedness should be in the form of the money, manpower, and material. That should be prepared in the form of the money, that in the form of the manpower, and that in the form of the material. Evaluation from the past experience about risk. Location of the disaster prone area should be done. Organization of the communication, information, and the warning system should be done. And ensuring the coordination and the response mechanism should be done. These are the disaster preparedness. Preparedness should be in the form of the money, manpower, and the material. Evaluation from the past experience about the risk. What are the past experience saying about the disaster? In a place, regular disaster haven't taken place. In Bihar, the flood is coming more time and time, again and again. And the past experience about the risk can be gained here. Past experience, location of the disaster prone areas can be done. Organization of the communication, information and warning system can be done. Ensuring coordination and response mechanism can be done. These are the disaster preparedness. These are the disaster preparedness. Development of the public education program, coordination with the media, national and the international relation, keeping stock of the floods, water, medicine, and other essential commodities. These are the disaster preparedness. How the disaster can be prepared. Development of the public education program, coordination with the media, national and interrelation should be done, keeping stock of the floods, water, medicines, and other essential commodities. Indian Meteorological Department plays a key role in the fair warning of the disaster of the cyclone detection tracing. It has the 5 centers in India: Calcutta, Bhubaneswar, Visakhapatnam, Chennai, and the Mumbai. In addition, there are 31 special observation posts up along the east coast of the India. The international agency which provide humanitarian assistance to the disaster strike area are by the United Nations Agency or the Office of the Coordination of the Humanitarian Affairs. World Health Organization helps in the case of the disaster management to the any of the country. UNICEF helps the any of the country for the disaster management. World Food Program can help for any of the disaster management program. Food and Agriculture Organization helps for the disaster management. Hence, the non-governmental organizations are which help in the disaster management are the Cooperative American Relief Everywhere Care, International Committee of the Red Cross, International Committee of the Red Cross that help the non-government organizations which help in case of the disaster management. These are the organizations which help in the case of the disaster management. Disaster impact have been described here. Search, rescue, first aid, field care. What should be done during the disaster impact? Triage, tagging, and identification of the dead people during the disaster. These are the operation has to be done during the disaster impact. Search karna, rescue, and the first aid. Field care is to be done. Triage is to be done. Tagging is to be done. Identification of the dead is to be done. These are activities done during the disaster impact. Disaster response. Epidemic surveillance, the ongoing system collection, recording, analysis, interpretation, and the dissemination of the data reflecting the current health status of the and disease, vaccination, and the nutrition. These are the disaster response. Disaster response. During the disaster response, what is to be done? Disaster response involves the following activity. Rehabilitation phase. In the case of the disaster management of the rehabilitation phase, water supply is to be maintained, food safety is to be maintained, basic sanitation and the personal hygiene is to be maintained. Vector control is any method to limit or indicate the mammals, birds, insect or other arthropod is to be maintained, which transmit disease to the pathogens. This is to be maintained. This is the action taken during the rehabilitation phase. These are the action taken during the rehabilitation phase. ये लाइन मत लगाओ, ये क्रॉस मत लगाओ. Disaster mitigation. During the disaster mitigation, the following is to be activity, operation is to be carried out. This involves lessening the likely effect of the emergencies. These include, depending upon the disaster, protection of the vulnerable population and the structure, improvable structural quality of the schools, houses, such and other buildings so that medical casualty can be minimized. Similarly, ensuring the safety of the health facility and the public health services, including the water supply and the sewerage system, to reduce the cost of the rehabilitation and the reconstruction. The mitigation complement disaster preparedness and the disaster response activity. These are the activity operation which is to be carried out during the disaster mitigation operation. During the disaster mitigation operation, this is to be carried out. Disaster effects. During the disaster effects, these activity is to be carried out. Wow, how many deaths during the disaster have been taken place? How many disability has to be taken place? Increase in the communicable disease, psychological problem, food shortage, socio-economic losses, shortage of the drug and medical supply, environmental disruption. These are the disaster effects. These are the operation to be carried out during the disaster risk recovery. During the disaster recovery, these activity should be carried out. Successful recovery preparation. Be vigilant in the health teaching. Psychological support. Refers to the hospital as needed. Remain alert for the environmental health. Remain alert during the environmental health. Disaster recovery. During the disaster recovery, this activity is to be carried out. अटेंडेंस में फिर से आपको चेक कर लेता हूँ, और अगर कोई स्टूडेंट को कहीं कंफ्यूजन है तो आप हमें व्हाट्सएप करके भेज दीजिएगा। आशीष अभी आया हुआ है, आशीष ज्वाइन किया हुआ है। दीपक एमडी पहले से प्रेजेंट है, पुष्प प्रेजेंट है, मोहम्मद उमर आपको ज्वाइन किया हुआ है। पायल जैन आपको ज्वाइन किया हुआ है।
सर मैं पुलकित हूँ, वो मेरी बहन का अकाउंट था जूम पे।
सांची नासा आपको ज्वाइन किया हुआ है।
सर मेरा पायल की जगह पुलकित कर देना, वो मेरी सिस्टर का अकाउंट है एक्चुअली।
अच्छा, पायल के जगह आप पुलकित जैन है।
हाँ सर, मेरी सिस्टर का अकाउंट लॉक्ड इन था।
हाँ नहीं ठीक है, पुलकित जैन ही नाम असल में जो हमारे यहाँ नाम है वो पुलकित जैन का ही है। तो कहीं किसी को ये जो आपको लेक्चर चल रहा है इसका रिकॉर्डिंग मैं वीडियो बना करके आपके ग्रुप में डाल दूंगा। ये बाद में भी, अरे ये इसको गंदा मत करो विक्रम, विक्रम इसको साफ करो, इसको, ये और गंदा करते जा रहा है। तो ये वीडियो बना के मैं डाल दूंगा, आप इसको बार बार देख सकते हैं कि आपको डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट में क्या है। ये वीडियो आप बार बार देख सकते हैं, ये ग्रुप में मैं आपको आपको डाल दूंगा। मेजर डिजास्टर्स दैट हैव बीन टेकन प्लेस इन इंडिया। अरे इसको गंदा मत करो, अरे इसको गंदा मत करो, मैं बार बार तो कह रहा हूं गंदा मत करो। फायदा क्या होता है, खाली डिस्टर्ब करती रहता है। मेजर डिजास्टर्स that happened in India 1984 Bhopal gas tragedy have been taken place. 2001 Gujarat earthquake have been taken place. 2004 Indian Ocean to tsunami have been taken place. 2008 Mumbai attacks have been taken place. So these are the major disasters that happen in India. अरे आशीष इसको गंदा मत करो, आशीष, अरे आशीष साफ करो इसको।
ओके सर।
साफ करो इसको, साफ करो। India's vulnerability to disease: 57% land is vulnerable to the earthquake. 57% land is vulnerable to the earthquake. 12% vulnerable to the severe earthquake. 68% land is vulnerable to the drought. 12% land is vulnerable to the flood. 8% land is vulnerable to the cyclones. These are the lands where every year earthquake have been taken place, severe earthquakes have been taken place, drought have been taken place, floods, every year floods come in these vulnerable area. So these are the more vulnerable area in India. Apart from natural disasters, some cities in India are also vulnerable to the chemical and industrial disaster and the man-made disasters. These are taking place in India. These are the Government of India NGO Disaster Preparedness and Response Committee of India. Members: World Vision of India, Children's Village in India, Ramakrishna Mission, Plan International, Oxfam India Trust, Lutheran World Service Trust, Red Cross, Catholic Relief Services, India Voluntary Health Organization, Action Aid, Action of the Food, and the Indo-German Social Society. These are the response committee of the India. गवर्नमेंट इंडिया का ये सारे रेस्पॉन्स कमिटी है जो डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट में आपको काम आपको आती है. Areas of concern: activity and early warning system, network and in the close monitoring mechanism for integrating the scientific and the technological administrative agency for the effective disaster management. Terrestrial communication link which collapse in the event of a rapid onset disaster. Vulnerability of the critical infrastructure, communication disaster. These are the areas of concern for the disaster management. Funding: from where the funding is to be done. Preparedness and mitigation